Hello guys, today I am showing you how to install and use Careem on your Android phone. So first of all you need to turn on your mobile data and then go to the Play Store. Here you type Careem, Careem. I already installed the app, so I just only need to open the app. While opening, make sure you open your device location. Now there are two options: continue with mobile or continue with social account. I just use my mobile number. Here I enter my mobile number, confirmation, and just enter your mobile number. Autofill code will be sent by Careem in your registered mobile. As is loading now. Here you come at the Careem main menu. Now there are the different types of menu. You see rewards type, and there's also Careem Pay where you find your available credit or something. Now first go to the car. Here is my location. Just need a little bit second to exact location to get exact location. Yeah. Now here you type drop off location. Just I type Dodariya and select Dodariya Seaview Road DHA. Yeah, confirm drop off. It's a approximate drop off location, but now pickup location. Just after you given the drop off location, you have to enter your pickup location pinpoint. So this point is main because the driver pick up from this point. Now there is a different options: Uber Go, Go Mini, Bike, Delivery, Rickshaw, Business, Go Plus. So there is a different option available in this menu with fares. So I select just Go and then select Go. Now here is a different option, cash, and if you already paid some amount, then I turned off this amount. And here's a promo code. If you have promo code, then I click just on Chalo. Here finding your captain. If you yes, there's this driver is booked, car number is BGE 794 silver Daihatsu Mira, and if you cancel the ride, just cancel the ride because I don't show you the promo. Then there is enter the reason why you don't take a ride. So that's it.